In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create arrows on Squarespace. These visual elements can be quite handy for directing your site's visitors' attention or just adding a bit of flair to your pages. So let's get started. Firstly, head over to Squarespace by typing it into your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a login button. Please click on it. Squarespace offers several ways to sign in, but we're going to use the Continue with Google option for simplicity. Go ahead and click on that, then choose your Google account from the list provided. After you're signed in, it's time to navigate to the specific site you want to add an arrow to. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one. Once you've accessed your site's dashboard, look for the Edit button to enter the editing mode. This is where the fun begins. Now, you'll want to add a new block to your page. Click on Add Block, and from the options that appear, select Shape. You'll see a variety of shapes to choose from, but for now, click on the Edit icon next to the shape options. In the drop-down menu, select the square shape. This square will serve as the body of your arrow. The size of the square might be too large or too small for your liking, so don't hesitate to resize it. Adjusting its dimensions will help your arrow look more proportional and fit well within your site's overall design. Remember, the goal is to make it look like the body of an arrow, so think about the size in relation to the arrowhead we'll create next. To create the arrowhead, you're going to repeat a similar process. Click on Add Block again and choose Shape. Like before, click on the Edit icon, but this time select the diamond shape from the drop-down menu. This diamond will act as the tip of your arrow. You'll probably need to resize the diamond shape as well to ensure it complements the size of the arrow's body you've already placed. Play around with the resizing tools until you're happy with the look. Once you've got both the body and the head of your arrow sized and positioned to your liking, the final step is to save your work. Just click on Save, and voila, you've successfully added a custom designed arrow to your Squarespace site. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is in its flexibility and user friendliness. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes and positions for your arrow. And of course, if at any point you feel like starting over, you can easily remove the shapes and try again until you're satisfied with the result. There you have it. You've just added a touch of visual direction to your Squarespace site that's not only functional but also blends seamlessly with your design. Whether you're pointing out important information, guiding visitors towards a call to action, or simply adding decorative elements, arrows can play a crucial role in your site's user experience and aesthetic appeal. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more handy tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace site.